Hey, how's it going, guys? Benny Childs, founder of the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community, and I am here with a quick little update. All right, guys. So I am going to be growing the small account for you guys. Going to show you how it is that I would do it. As you see here on yesterday, I deposited $186.49 into this account. We currently have a S&P 500 trade 10-cent long. All right, we're currently up 228 points. All right, so essentially we've invested 10 cent, and we flipped that over into about $22 right now. So that's about a 220 plus X return right now. We'll see how the market goes. Okay, I do currently have my stop loss in profit, so technically this is a risk-free trade. If you guys are interested in getting any signals that I provide, you can feel free to head over to the YouTube channel and join the mentorship program, where you're going to get access to over let's see, you should get access to over 132 different charts that I actually track the zones are. I am a supply and demand accumulation distribution trader. And that is what I teach to my community. So if you guys are interested in learning how you can take smaller accounts, all right, and use small lot sizes, if that's all you can do. If you can do more, all right, say for instance, if you had an account where you could invest $1 into the trade, this would be a $220 gain right now. So everything is exponential, but again, I really like to show you guys how you can take smaller accounts and grow them. So again, guys, if you guys are interested in learning how to do that, then head over to the YouTube channel, or you can go to the teachmetofisheffects.com and find a link to sign up there. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get all of my available updates for you. All right, guys, until next time, always remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. Happy pip fishing. Bye-bye.